Tired of forgetting passwords? Want a secure way to access your emails? Let's create a Gmail account using your phone number. It's easier than you think. To create a Gmail account on your desktop PC, first, open a browser. I used Google Chrome. You can use any browser. And go to the search bar, type gmail.com and hit enter. Once the web page is loaded, go to the right side of it and click on the Create an Account button. You'll see two options, for my personal use and for my work or business. Choose for my personal use. Now enter your first name. Last name is optional, then click on the next. Provide your birth date and gender. This information helps Google protect your account. Now generate a unique Gmail address. They suggest two, or you can create your own. I click on this section. Now, I type the address name, but it gives me an error. Remember, you have to use a valid address. Like this. You can also put the address name, without the dot. And click Next. Create a strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember that the password must be at least 8 characters long. Then confirm password. Type your password again to verify it. Click Next. This step for recovery phone number. Enter your phone number. This is essential for account recovery. You'll receive a verification code. Now verify phone number. Enter the code you received to verify your phone number. You can add a recovery email here, for extra security, but it's not mandatory. And review your account information here, like your name, email address that you give, and recovery phone number, and click Next. Scroll down this page, and click I agree to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Gmail account. Now, go forth and conquer your inbox.